Good afternoon, everyone, and this is the continuation of our report about features and uses of ICT tools for collaboration and sharing resources. By the way, I am Namari Gumalb, and now let's move on to another tools that exist to support collaboration that can facilitate, and it is consensus building through group discussions and polling. So, what is consensus building? So, consensus building, this co-creation and ideation tools help generate possible alternative solutions to a given problem. Consensus building tools help participants narrow and refine the proposed solutions. It means consensus building is a process involving a good faith effort to meet the interest of all stakeholders and seek a unanimous agreement. A consensus building approach allows the group to reach an overwhelming agreement among relevant stakeholders and maximize possible gains to everyone. So, we can help to identify these tools through polling, question management, and process archiving. So, let's define first what is polling. So, if we say polling, it is the act of voting. So, an example of polling is an opinion polls. Opinion polls are usually designed to represent the opinions of a population by conducting a series of questions and then extrapolating generalities in ratio or within confidence intervals. A person who conducts polls is referred to as a pollster. So, how is it connected in the classroom? So, classroom polling allows instructors to quickly ask a question and instantly receive responses from students during the class. Instructors and students can use online or mobile polling with phones like smart and text only, computers, tablets, and iPods. An example of classroom polling are multiple choice polls or ranking polls. And the second one is a question management. So what is question management? Question management, it is a restatement of the manager's dilemma in question form. And also the questions asked of the participants or the observations that must be recorded. And how is it connected in educational setup? Well, educational management is a field which is concerned with the operation of educational organizations. It is the process of planning, organizing, and directing activities in a school, effectively utilizing human and material resources in order to accomplish the school's objectives. And the last one that helped identify these tools is process archiving. If we say process archiving, it is the process by which inactive information in any format is securely stored for long periods of time, such as information may or may not be used again in the future, but nonetheless should be stored until the end of its retention schedule. So, this archive data consists of older data that remains important to the organizations or must be retained for future reference or regulatory compliance reasons. And I think that would be all about my topic, and I'll give the floor to the next reporter. Thank you.